Today I'm going to be talking about the classroom climate feature on Pear. This is a very simple yet useful tool for teachers. This is a feature that tells the teacher how the student feels that day, or the student can also give feedback based on how they think they did on the activity. So basically, all you do when you turn on Classroom Climate is add one slide to the beginning of your activity and one slide to the end. And these are the questions that the student will answer to show what their mood is or how they think they did. To turn on this feature, you'll go to the home page and go to the bottom. And then you can click on Settings, and this will be the first one to come up. Classroom Climate. Turn this on to allow students to reflect on their mood pre-lesson. Post-lesson, students can reflect on how they thought the lesson went. So I have it turned on for mood and feedback, but teachers can use mood only or feedback only. So this is a activity I created to show you guys how the Classroom Climate feature can be used. So I'm going to start the lesson. And I'm actually going to join this and complete it as a student. So I will need this code. This is the code that you'll give your students when you want them to complete the activity. And once they have it entered, it should take them right to the activity. So this is the first slide that it will bring the student to. This is the mood slide. So it'll ask how the student is feeling today. They can answer with a happy face, an okay face, or a sad face. So I'll do the happy face. And then it will take them right into your activity. And I'll just answer these quickly. And so once it gets to the last slide, it'll stop until the teacher can end the session or the student is finished. And so this is what the teacher sees. So to view this data, they can go to the class roster, and each participant will be listed here, and it'll show their mood on the left hand side. So you can see I clicked happy face, so I'm in a good mood. And so once the teacher has ended the session, which I will do now, this is what the student will see. So this is the feedback slide, and it says, how did it go? So I'll push thumbs up. And then there is another way for the teacher to view this. So if we go back to the home page on Pear Deck, they can go down, click on this activity, and then this is the last time I gave it. So there was one participant, and it was 100% thumbs up. So here all the participants would be listed, and you could see the mood and the feedback from each student. This is awesome because the teacher can see how these moods relate to their feedback. And if there weren't some good moods and some not so good feedback, the teacher can have a bigger conversation with that student.